want to say something. I'm not into what I get or.
Yeah.
I want into what I get.
Evan, ona le start page wena. Yeah, no.
The South House is like a vision, le dream. I get it. There's a vision and dream. Mbappe. To which are more profit. Mbappe.
Let me give credit to this beautiful football club. I once said Mamelodi Sundowns, I think, is the first team to be blessed in the AFL.
Sure.
Looking at one of South African team reaching final ya CAF back to back, I think it's an incredible thing. And
Now I believe for in fact, I believe. I just need to hore. When I'm Kotiaga, Lebabang Bagwarena Valley. Participate in Champions League. You know, Champions League.
Thank you so much to everyone who have been watching us. We really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. And we know which like you have been supporting us, Mafetu. And you can comment there, like our video, share it with your friends, and make sure Wuchi you comment positively. Yes, sometimes we are not perfect. But then we appreciate, your comments and everything. So thank you so much, Mafetu. Now we are going to talk about the Champions League. They wanted to touch on the Champions League. My brother Rawona, you are now in the finals of the Champions League. As far Rabat, all of Tassi, Gadi 17. Yeah, Gadi 17.
I want to say something more. Toro. I want to say something. I'm not into what I get Toro.
Yeah.
I want into what I get.
Evan, ona le start page wena. Yeah, no.
The South House is like a vision, le dream. I get it. There's a vision and dream. Mbappe. To which are more profit. Mbappe. Ubutore mo profit a ukhono tshwara mabaka a kwa go ntombeng mara bampontsha.
Yeah.
Before the game ya Esperance Tunisia,
Yeah.
it was a vision. I was climbing the podium.
Okay.
The Dr. Patrice was there,
Yeah.
the president of CAF, giving London, it's only team in South Africa more 10 years ago. It's only team more 10 years ago, more South Africa.
Yeah.
Ilem final height 3 in a row. Guess are in a row, but more 10 years ago, it's only team more South Africa. I go like a confederation, go like a serious. This is we're going level challenge. This is Champions League. A cup we are doing.
Yeah.
Everybody starts a bit already. Renodala fella official.
Yeah.
And this is a Super Cup.
Yeah.
Super Cup. Here between Mota winning confederation. Ato mitana len or to winning Champions League. It's a pono eba mpontsitse nyona baraka. The Super Cup. Ya le Zamalek. We ngwale mofatse.
Yeah.
Ba bona dite ka jone ke di one tsa mme.
Yeah.
O tlo nyaka ene
Ka mo go bontshitse.
yeah. Lozeki dibia akadibia as a joke.
Wa tsore Zamalek go tletse lona ka 2016 o tsa Star Samatholo.
Zamalek ngitse pila fela ka 2016 it was Langaman, it was Pesitau, it was Kama Billiard when we scored that 3 goals. The chairman, I was in Quad Masterpiece Muripika Tata. The chairman was Zamalek, he collapsed. I never believe hore Bonake the giant it's a Champions League.
Yeah.
And the Babe take the newborn. Where the newborn is like when Rekrila upset their pyramid last year.
Yeah.
It was a newborn. And Renari no hore Champions League arena. Retry to participate. So here we now already jumpile. The starting is the bile. Or nkano tso ha fela ka bia di star. Ke re we ngwale ka tseno. Rabat ke tletse le yona high 2 ke droile le yona. High 2 ka di 1-1. And it was a group stage. There's a final, there's a group stage. Aditwane. Pirate ibethile alali 4. Ba le go Ramadan. Ka di group stage ya bethale Zamalek. E kwa re ntse ba fa di 4. Mara comes final. wa twa betha ke experience nka se re motho a jikileng ka 1986 go namela podium ka 1986 even is a trophy e biana ne maybe nzeli ya legogoko nzeli ya legogoko
yeah.
o re nna ke e bone ape re bola ka batho re ba e bone ko podium e celebrate ke pyramid the new one e re go botsa something that's why ke nya gore le join so called the big team mo South Africa I bereke big team mo continent that's why they call me the monster of Africa so ke nya go kentsha gore nna ke o thuse that's why ke re a ke tse 3 point ke no ba ke o thusa gore ke tse 3 point ya hao gore ke tle go kentsha ka mara Champions League is a confederation ke utse ke nya di tlotse e tritse tsa go Pacific reckless snake tse so giant tsela ba join ka mara platform ya ka so ke a invite gore at least go khono tsela second star mara ke se beile ka gore se teng officially ke itse ba tlo nyaka santse ke no Zanzibar or ke Mogadishu wa ibo ba ntse le nna ka charter airline ore mona se profeto sela sa gore ke nyaka gore dilo tse o di bona mo lo nyaka nna mo ke tlabe ke thaidile mo teng santse le tle le nyake for interview re ntho e bola nzo lwala na ke re don't ke sa lwale ba mpotsitse ke na metse podium ntho o botse gore ke breaking news Dr. Patrice a tsia trophy a e fa ngwana ha e hlophi as a chairman azanka irala ha ona ke re dade e santse ba ile contest la go Guinness World Record ba re fa yona and a e fa Chika Balaka gobela ya rena o ile be re tsa mabya from the president wa CAF a tsia trophy I see
to the chairman
I see I fa ngwana hae our chairman Supi wa rena hanelang re defend re kwatile a no guys emang hanyane ke understand a pressure lena because ba rata di supportera ke bone management wa Sundowns ba re sa go boardroom e re o lokisa tabe ya lena le frustrated ka ba itse re re dlala tournament le e feta di tournament tse tsotlhe and that's why tournament re bitsang FIFA Club World Cup because o ka se join that's why ke re nna ka o invite mkhutsi because you are a giant ya South Africa you are a giant mara santse o botsa a giant e bereka bjang o ska tollela di 7 million tsa di Nedbank wa bona hone bjanong next di cup tsa rena tse re di nyakang o ngutlwelle for next season e re bula MTN 8 ngutlwelle
o no wela di la nyaka no MTN 8
wa itse wa re nyaka
a ke nne le ra le nyaka le
wa itse wa re nyaka re khono fa bana ba rena di data because re win ba ile fa bana ba Sundowns di data mahala noma kanjani and then Nedbank are fetso e wina lo ba ile re tsela di loan ba re nyaka di loan go Nedbank now to membership wa Sundowns and then Black Label a re nyake boss a re nyaka go bina ka tlhogo a re nyaka kapo e le re wa itse di players tsa rena ba bina ka tlhogo go botsa ke kapo tse important tsa rena tse re di needang for season ya 2026 2027 MTN 8 ke tseo
mara league ya o nyaka
no league go obvious
obvious
league go obvious it's only team bona hona banong London ntho ke breakang braakane ba re ke sentse chelete ke ile ko Colombia ba re ke tlhaore ka motho ka 3 million euros it was maybe 55 million rand calculation to Lyon Lyon ana 4 months mo Sundowns mara ke top goal scorer Champions League ha ke re ke top goal scorer ke ra rona le goal tse 5 ola wa Al Ahly na le tse 6 already Al Ahly ha sa le teng so ka game ya final ha ka kora fela 1 goal already ke top goal scorer dai then yona tshantse re contest la ka Guinness World Record azanka ira hala ha ona motho ba ka mosayina ka 4 months ya ba top goal scorer Champions League ka 4 months wa wala ntane manyana re senye chelete kore kwa re rabaka di Crusader ape mo re to baka maruthunyana la metseng ala go botshopa right a di 7 rand a o tuka mollo ra baka gore na buana Crusader ka ha wo
I don't know so I think harbulla ka Champions League
So-
ka African League sa bulela ka PSA
yeah okay sure
what's your take on the fact that Sundowns imo finaling ya Champions League consecutively like last year never did that and it's even sweeter because of the coach Cardoso get that finally a high level
in a row sure
I'm not a fan. Now go waraba sticking to the reality.
so
Let me give credit to this beautiful football club. I once said Mamelodi Sundowns, I think, is the first team to be blessed in the AFL.
sure
looking at one of South African team reaching final ya CAF back to back, I think it's an incredible thing, and the work that have been done. I think we have to give credit to the entire team. Cardoso, also the Cardoso, after criticism, and
Sure.
by that time, yes, we will let scandal at the motor. Call of us because of your non-tribal mu criticize. This guy Olorla mu criticize is the one who's going to win you the league and is the one that is going to win your Champions League.
Sure.
So let's can Rotomo Mulomu.
Sure.
The same Takataka sitting here, Yabayana defender, no live London. So for myself, allow me to say to Takataka. I think if you're really fan Rabali vision or really dreamy or channel muno. Bare e ba le toro or toro ya ha khono phethagala wa tlhalwana munno already on the stars sa boithu and believe me what already
In the whole South Africa.
then what are this
whole
guy
Africa.
In
myself
the whole Africa.
I will say
Diaspora.
myself believe me my brother
Yeah.
I so wish your voice can raise the Mamelodi Sundowns office.
Yeah.
You have bring the second star before Sundowns can bring it to the counter.
Sure. I'm the only one.
So ora hore ka pelo ele le tumelo ha yore it's our time to shine again.
Yeah.
Sundowns going to make it. I don't think Sundowns is going to lose this final. Cardoso akasi third final in a row.
Yeah.
A loser ya with three. Secondly, it's at Mamelodi Sundowns how many years to reach a back-to-back final. I mean, this guy
It's
have
a
done-
history.
It's a history.
It never happened.
Again, just to add on that, I don't think if Sundowns they've been so competitive, more this
Champions League.
consistency,
Yeah.
more Champion League, then by get a chance of back-to-back final, but got grab that chance by drop. Team ever dala leona since 1985,
86.
86, until no abaso
To
resta.
40 years.
41 years or 40 years somewhere there. Ne? And if you can look at the game, it's about getting a little group stage. Though but draw not.
Yeah.
1-1.
But what about draw 1-1?
1-1, yeah.
1-1. Then it was not easy game. But that momentum, that tempo, ability ele your approach a game. This is a final, and I think Sundowns babile consistency more than this football club as far.
Yeah.
Sundowns they've been there more than as far. More cave. 1-1. If you can look at from 2016,
Yeah.
yes, Sundowns Inca first star until no. I think Sundowns it dominated more. Sundowns again when you look at the home game it's about another cave. More percentage Sundowns it win the game it's about another cave
Exactly. Yeah.
than Ebadala outside. So record that Sundowns playing cave game home, more especially Call of Task.
Yeah.
You can tell that I will advise them to close this a final more hard. If it's possible, they have to go for a 4 goal.
Yeah.
Or 3 goal. That team can tell you can or 4 goal. Kunyaka bar by relay. Allow me to continue. Ne?
Sure.
As far Babon Tite who improve Babonta who hula in this CAF Champion League in terms of team elor nenya tseile but he just raised the hand from out of the blue but he prove and ba betha di tlapa tso lo re ke tse kholo re ba reach mo final emba le mo yona.
Yeah.
And as far ke team ele it hitting ka di mind game more especially ka frustrate opponents by push gore e ready mistake. Sundowns they've been there not even more le ko di continental top football
Exactly. Yeah.
but Sundowns. So I will say they don't have to allow that team to push it out to by already the mistake.
To the edge,
Also blind in terms of tactic. Obetile Esperance mo allow game. Those guys they were pushing them, press them to Rabadal, Marasandan doesn't want to play because of when they say under pressure. Even though when they score another goal, Bali Daka 2-0.
Yeah.
Ke bone ba tsentsa le sale when ya go thomora game e operate Cardoso no. Leska game e sharp e re low. Ke ntho enya kalang. As far Sundowns to as far itakam, they have to chase the game and score more goals. When they go outside, they don't have pressure. They maintain the tempo of the game. By allow fellow Rabano balance affair. So, but anyway, ke second star sabona by Lo City. For myself, I want to have a jealous. Or why Sundowns in Casta ke so star. Looking at the high level of profile of football by Dhalang. But yeah, fly higher in our country. Look at when they put the ranking. the ranking, ababi Sundowns flag, babia South African flag.
Exactly,
Believe me, go and check the ranking where Sundowns is standing today.
Number one, yeah.
Kamwele babele a South African flag. What does that mean?
Exactly, yeah.
Coach Topi Motsepe, I become so emotional when I want to talk. Chairman Topi Motsepe, I become so emotional if I want to raise my voice to him. Let me congratulate him in a age like this. First young chairman to go and win a second star. Asekhala, I take it to say
5 years.
I am even 6 years to win his first star. What does that mean? I mean, this guy is too young and they like he believe in his present. By the time Sundowns supporters, they were trying to provoke Flamingberg, but because of he knew what is preparing, he had to
calm them down.
And anchored a decision. A first chairman, okay, kono mona atamai ayobina lady supporter, kosteni like I am a mole abinelebon. I appreciate. A first chairman or I kono bita meeting in the defendants are high. Abolele lebona. Okay. Village in your board. I mean, this thing it's beautiful and you can see that what is trying to do. Who appreciate the support I can go defendants aboard. For that thing, your Sundowns already free entry. HPC already ticket at a cave game. I think they are honoring their support. It's not like Sundowns. That's how they respect. Balewali defendants abona. Or okay, this is how we can, because of their giving support game by game. And one time, Maraking into Herira Timui, Rairela lady support is to only allow them to come and see the beautiful football. So I don't see anything wrong by Sundowns for doing that. But because of the voice of us fans who said, hey, why Sundowns is doing this? Sundowns is no longer opening the gate for free. Because of that thing, you're automobile lady, or ticket 1 to 3. Sundowns is making money on cave. They are winning semi-final. Do you think Team reach a semi-final every season? So when they think sitting in the bedroom, banana lady okay, this is how we can appreciate our fan. But like I said, he's too young, and for him going for the second star, but first star high, it's beautiful to see that. Coach Cardoso as well, someone who I never thought even Africa. He was not even promising even last season. Until he know. But look at Sundowns Mote. Doesn't, even though they can suffer, they don't drop. They win game, they draw their games, but they make sure that Baba Moyo on a level A. Sundowns or it draw Richard Bay coming back. Fatigue, traveling 16-17 hours with a flight. You have a game after before 3 days. It's something that, yes, squad to play team B, team C, but even that team that is traveling with the club, they get tired because of the traveling. One. So we can't say they've got enough players to play, but that can be excused because of exactly. But we don't look at look at Orlando Pirates. Sorry to go back a little bit in our PSL game. Pirates since about Halali Chiefs. About Halakadi 6. But still days. Why is that game here when 86 is at Halinoka weekend? But still Babali Kepe happy. I'm going Kepe or about Hala game it's about. But equalizer, I copy the Pirates at the game. Yalekana the Sundowns. Sundowns in Kalamara. Why Pirates is at Halilona weekend?
For sure.
For sure. But that space that is given to Orlando Pirates, why as well Mamelodi Sundowns doesn't get that time? But it's okay. They still have to go for World Cup. World Cup if we kill. We are not okay. Or a promoter who defend the player Rafael Pirates go World Cup. Let's Sundowns to the team. Then they have to rest as well. Fatigue Babulaya. What rest after league fell. But one final. So why these guys who don't respect our assets of national team by resting them because of what preparing them to go and compete in the World Cup?
Thanks. I can see that you are patriotic, Mamelodi Sundowns, which is something that as supporters we really need to go there. I know there are some who are saying, I know Nanga support the Sundowns, but it's okay. If you can say support, it's okay. It's a hard, but leave those who want to support it and by support. Ka utlwa office ke letsatsi mara office ke ditaba tse London a di bolela Tota mona
De La Source. No, wabona London, wabona this team. ke ibudisa ba bantši ka re ba bangwe ba tlo no e favor ba rata ba sa rate
Yeah.
because the minute we tlhoka re the mo o ira gore go bane le grace there's a grace on top the more we tlhoya and ba bantši ke ba khadile ka re ge o tlhoya Sundowns mara ona medical aid wa bona gore pila wena mo mathateng because go kwatola ga o change system ya gago and then yo bakelang o ya ko clinic o ema line and ka medical aid a o eme line
Yeah, George Mukhari.
bona o mo mathateng o ema line so record ya Rabat nna I say to gore go kubeng Nabi kolena le mokubile eli ke tlo botsa gore why team e o e bona e tlala le Sundowns final ge Nabi a tloa ko Yanga ko Tanzania o ile ko yona
Yeah.
a ile coach o tswile number 2 under o tswile number 2 since it's ya league ka 1956 it was 1956 no 1955 1956
Yeah.
it's ya league intse le hona e buang ka he ba Nabi e ba coach le hona e buang e contestela Raja Casablanca e le Fadu former coach ya Pirate e le assistant
Oh, Wadu. Yeah.
Fadu ke Wadu
You Wadu.
yeah one tlhalohanya intse le hona Raja Casablanca e ba number 1 ena ba number 2 ba methile he nna go la le mosaene remember o setse kwa a senda technical staff ya gae a sentse a dlale cup ba metha ko cup and go leaking o tswa ka 1 point wa draw and ba le ba win and anzantse le number 1 a leader santsa ba fell league so we happy that team
Yeah.
go happy en high that's why ke re intse se teng se sa bonagale among the teams tsa go Morocco with that Casablanca Raja Casablanca
Exactly. Yeah.
wa bona intse se mo leveling eo hona bana ke yona e le mo leveling eo so that's why ke re nna hona bana I believe gore in fact I believe hona bana I just need gore wena mkhotsi yaka le ba bang ba kwa arena bale participate mo Champions League you know Champions League the money I made go Champions League guys le ka dlala league for 10 years le ka se ire chelete eo ke ra le winner for 10 years le ka se ire chelete eo if gone bana ke winner $6 million ka di 24 25 something
25. Yeah.
by changes ba ile go 25
25.
yeah he ke winner Champions League ke fetso e winner officially ba mfa yona officially because yona ke win mara ke metso ba mfa yona
Official,
officially bona no ke no dlala fela officially ke molao gore ke dlala
Yeah.
mara yona ke win wa ntlhalwa they'll give me $6 million it's almost 100 million rand go morao e qualified tsela tsaka di mfile 1.2 million 23 to 25 million another one again go quarter final go morao for the group stage una le ngwa 12 million ona le ngwa 9 million if you remember right how can we that chelete eo ke fetso tsia le Betway ke tla be ke tsa marafi bo ma 200 plus million rand ka 10 months
Yeah, Club World Cup
ka 10 months
2029.
and he get Club World Cup gona le e ba mfang yona for participate but how can check a record ya ka that's why we are not spending money we are investing money nicely in a good way whereby you can check or Sundowns it's only team mo South Africa e le gore market value of the players tsa teng they are more than 700 million rand close to 750 million no ka it was 700 plus here kentsha o le Colombian it's am close to 750 number 1 is al number 2 ke rena every time that's why Dr. Patrice ka 2004 he says he want to conquer the continent
Africa.
hai bolela e sale MTN Soccer Zone ka bona se profito sa hai sa continue and believe me wait only next year ke sa go Champions League go finally ka setup e ke le mo yona because of you must understand how taster danana danana ke taster nka se bolela ke o butsitsa lona danana ape ke taster danana mo
Yeah.
ape de me to taster ba re bona tsana le player a shi di tsona
Yeah.
ba fana bala ba tsama ka di Maybach mo bana mpotsa gore ke mango wena kwa go na tshona pa ka di Maybach ba pa ka di Maybach tsa di Viano ba fana ba so it shows or this is a business
Yeah.
Asi tournament tsa ko Masakeng ya di 5 rand. Na re tla di tournament tsa ko Masakeng tsa di 5 rand. O di Omo Cup. This is a real, my friend. This is a real. So now I need you. You know why? It's a football and we love football. We need Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates to participate. Especially Kaizer Chiefs. We need them. You know what, ne?
Yeah.
It was Al Ali Zamalek a pyramid tla hona bano mara mo Champions League. Every time go semi-final Zamalek o teng Al Ali o teng. Why not hona bano rena re le buleletse Bodara. Hape rena re le buleletse Bodara, my friend. Laundry le buleletse Bodara chomiana. Ngara re go buleletse Bodara. Kura sana problem wena. Kore uska ba ka fie o buletse Bodara.
Sharp, it's fine. It's ke level.
Yeah.
Ba re molao change it.
Yeah.
Mara ka re wa molao change ka re di favor Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Now if it's Sundowns it's a league, it's a Leicester. Automatically ne ke itse re ke a cash. Mara ba re molao change it.
Mara pele it was like that.
Mara molao change it, o sa dumela.
I was dumela hore okay, he win a Champions League wena.
Ba o tsa mathumo tse 2, o tsa metse 3.
And pele it was like that.
Ba di divide ile ba dira le ka mokgodi tlalang confederation le Thomas Ola no kana so before le finish this group stage that's why change it.
No, it's fine. Mara confederation ona isa le chance ya hore akere o must understand hore ge o le ko Champions League tse tlo tliwela ka mara Champions League ka mara CAF League ka mara CAF League ne ge wena anyways ke nya o ira ntwe ba o dileng yona o ntse le number 1 ka 10 point Zamalek ntho le ntlo ke nya kwa panicha ka Super Cup. I'm not lying. Ke ba ile ka botsa Pirate he ba lla ka mokoko ka e bolela hore mokoko ba tlo mfa yona ke bolela ka ba tlo mfa yona ka ba tlo mfa yona go group stage before ba ka ira toya group stage. I said it go Super Sport go fan base ka ba ile re fa yona and a real ba re fa yona ka re mabagane ya ko le ruta how to beat mokoko. It's a 4 point ko bona. So Zabaleke because of when you've been there, you know this game. So then nagere ere ko phumule dikele ke ba phiatle ka Super Cup. Super Cup ke one day. Ke one day. And it's almost 25 million rand. One day 90 minutes o dlala 25 million rand ba ba dlala 10 months or ba ire ka ise manyana sometimes. Well it's a vungu. Well it's a vungu.
Ayisa mtakata ka split. No, thanks for Faith. Thanks a lot for coming. I think let's do this more. Thank you so much for everyone who have been supporting us. If you've been subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you very much. Please comment, like, and share this video. All our faith. Eitada.
Kabuyelo.